What are you doing? What are you doing?
I am watching TV. I am watching TV.
Where can I buy water? Where can I buy water?
You can buy it at the store, across the street. You can buy it at the store, across the street.
How do I get to the hospital? How do I get to the hospital?
You can take a taxi. You can take a taxi.
Do you have any sibling? Do you have any sibling?
Yes, I have two siblings. Yes, I have two siblings.
What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing cricket. My favorite hobby is playing cricket.
Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please?
Sure. I will repeat it. Sure. I will repeat it.
Can you explain it again? Can you explain it again?
Sure. Sure.
How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
It cost 9,000 rupees. It cost 9,000 rupees.
Where is the nearest college? Where is the nearest college?
The nearest college is down the street. The nearest college is down the street.
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
My phone number is 9999965. My phone number is 9999965.
Can we meet today? Can we meet today?
I am sorry, I am busy today. I am sorry, I am busy today.
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I am going to a trip with my family. Yes, I am going to a trip with my family.
What's your favorite bird? What's your favorite bird?
My favorite bird is a crow. My favorite bird is a crow.
Can you play a musical instrument? Can you play a musical instrument?
No, I can't play any instrument. No, I can't play any instrument.
Can you recommend a best English Learn YouTube channel? Can you recommend a best English Learn YouTube channel?
I would recommend trying Isha's Knowledge YouTube channel. I would recommend trying Isha's Knowledge YouTube channel.
Can you help me with my homework? Can you help me with my homework?
Yes, I can help you with that. Yes, I can help you with that.
Can I borrow your pencil? Can I borrow your pencil?
Sure. Here you go. Sure. Here you go.